Hi. Sorry for randomly messaging you, but you look as amazing as the Amazing Spider-Man, and I'm looking for long-term, loyal, serious relationship. And it said you were single, so I randomly messaged you. Sorry if I'm cheesy.
Sorry, I have a really awesome boyfriend, actually.
Good for you, kid. Don't gotta rub it in my face, you
Typical. Typical nice guy.
I'll say it again. If anyone hurts a girl emotionally or physically, I'm gonna have to go Rocky Balboa
Fictional boxer.
on them.
We look so much like a couple here.
A couple of besties.
Why would anyone drink or do drugs? I get high off respecting women.
What is your emergency? Please help! Some men broke into my home! Not all men are like that. I wouldn't do that.
Breaking news. Girls actually love nice guys. It's just that you're not as nice a guy as you think you are. I find this really hard to believe, as every time I'm interested in a girl, she ends up with an asshole and I end up friend-zoned. Or worse. Imagine being the exact type of guy a post was aimed at, but somehow remaining blissfully unaware of that fact. If you're into bad boys, swipe left, because I am a good boy.
Just you won't. I'm that type that will put a blanket on a drunk bitch and not smash.
Oh, what a fucking gentleman. She deserves better. Treat her right, you fucking asshole. Sad to see an ungrateful fuck getting that little cutie while I'm still a virgin at 22. The world is a strange and unfair place. Still jerked off.
I've seen it with my own eyes. Women are very shallow. I'm short, ugly, and broke, so I don't date. But my good-looking friends get the hottest women, and the most women. Gee, I wonder why.
How many short, ugly, broke women have you asked out?
Why would I do that?
Wish I had a girlfriend. God, I hate women. So all you nice guys out there, just remember, you're never stuck in the friend zone if you value having women as friends.
I find this really hard to believe.